Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with the random for a 3-box 2013 NFL mixer. And I'm also adding a surprise 4th box for everyone. Got a lot of first timers in this one. Thank you guys for joining us. All names entered into random.org, and I'm going to randomize it 6 times. Here we go. 1. Okay, and random froze up. There we go. You should have taken this one. It was closer to filling. 2. Alright, random is just on the fritz tonight, guys, so just bear with me. We'll wait it out. Yes, you definitely should have tweeted that out, Chris. There's 2. Wow, random is bad today. That's going to be 3. No, that didn't go. 3. I know Brian was moving. Brian's in the process of moving. He was here last night, though. Here's 4. Man, this is going to take a while. Thankfully, only 2 more. That was 5. Oh, did you have a good time? Barbecue, that sounds good, Ryan. No, it's not good when random gives me trouble. Only one more time. There we go. Here we go. 6. This is going to be 6. I can't control random. I know you guys like to think I can, but I can't. Alright, there's it. Shohei, Arizona Cardinals, we know that. It doesn't even want to copy. Holy moly. Molina, Washington Redskins, I know that. Alright, now we can get rocking and rolling. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. £75? I think my other ones are good too, Molina. Ryan, how many were in that family, brother? Alright, Shohei with the Cardinals. Todd with the Falcons. Shohei with the Ravens. Brian with the Bills. Jason with the Panthers. Shohei with the Bears. Jonathan with the Bengals. Richard V, first timer with us, got the Browns. Chris got the Cowboys. Todd with the Broncos. Todd with the Lions. Shohei with the Packers. Molina with the Texans. Bobby with the Colts. Steve W with the Jaguars. Chris with the Chiefs. Jason with the Dolphins. Chris with the Vikings. Chris with the Patriots. Guadalupe with the Saints. Ryan with the Giants. Chris with the Jets. Alan, another first timer with the Raiders. Brian with the Eagles. Chris M with the Steelers. Ronald with the Chargers. Not a bad team, Ronald. Guadalupe with the Niners. Bobby with the Seahawks. You know who wants them, Bobby. John with the Rams. Turk, another first timer with the Bucks. Ed with the Titans. and Molina with the Redskins. All right, guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com, and follow us on Twitter at The Casebreakers. Boom, baby!